In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a YouTube script using Perplexity AI. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring you feel confident every step of the way. First, you'll need to head over to the Perplexity AI website. Once you're there, log into your account. It's important to make sure your login credentials are secure and that only you have access to them. If you're new to the platform or haven't used it in a while, resetting your password every few months is a good habit for maintaining security. After you've logged in, you'll be brought to a page where you have the option to choose your account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Select the account you'll be working with for this particular project. Doing this ensures that all your work is correctly organized and accessible when you need it. Once you're in the dashboard, this is where the magic starts to happen. You'll want to locate the text input field. This is typically easy to find. Here you'll type in your prompt. This is an exciting part of the process, so make sure you have a clear idea of the video you want to create. Clearly specify what kind of YouTube video you're planning to make. Being detailed here really helps the AI understand your needs effectively. For instance, if you're going to create a tutorial video on baking chocolate chip cookies, mention that directly in your prompt. Providing details such as the tone you want the script to have, the key points you want to cover, or any other specifics can be incredibly helpful in getting a result that's tailored to your vision. Now, this is the incredible part. After you've entered your prompt, you only need to wait a few seconds. The powerful AI behind Perplexity AI rapidly processes your request to deliver a complete script right in front of you. It's quite remarkable how quickly and efficiently the AI works to provide you with a script that's ready to use or tweak as needed. This process allows you to focus more on the creative aspects of your project and less on the time-consuming task of writing. It's particularly useful if you're dealing with tight deadlines or want to generate ideas quickly. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to generate a YouTube script using Perplexity AI. Remember that while the AI provides a solid foundation, you can always make personal adjustments to better fit your style or content needs. Enjoy experimenting with your new scripts and the freedom this tool gives you to focus on your creativity and engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.